Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see what does the flashing blue light on my Xfinity TV box mean, causes and quick fix. A flashing blue light on an Xfinity box indicates a lost connection to the network or a pairing issue, often caused by loose cables or signal drops. Troubleshooting steps include power cycling the unit, tightening physical connections, and initiating a system refresh via the Xfinity app. First, secure your coaxial and HDMI cable. Tighten the coax cable. Hand tighten the coaxial cable on both the back of your Xfinity box and the wall outlet. Bypass splitters. If you use a coaxial splitter, remove it and connect the cable directly from the wall to the TV box. Splitters degrade signal strength over time. Reseat the HDMI. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the box, then plug it back firmly into a different HDMI port. Second, perform a manual power cycle. Force the TV box to clear its temporary cache and re-establish a fresh network handshake. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Xfinity TV box. Leave it unplugged for exactly 60 seconds, then plug the power cord back in and allow 5 to 10 minutes for the system to boot completely. Third, restart your home gateway slash router. If your TV box relies on Wi-Fi like the Xfinity Flex or wireless X1 boxes, it will flash blue when it cannot communicate with your internet source. So unplug your main Xfinity gateway or third-party router from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in, and wait until the gateway lights stabilize. Check if the TV box automatically reconnects once the internet is active. 4. Trigger an online system refresh. Open a browser and sign into your profile on the official Xfinity support site. Select Contact and Support, then click on Fix an issue. Now scroll down to the TV section and choose Restart TV box next to the malfunctioning device. Choose System Refresh to clear regional network errors across all boxes. This process can take up to 20 minutes. Fifth, clear video resolution glitches. Grab your Xfinity remote and press Exit, 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 then 720 in quick succession. This forces the box into universal 720p output resolution, which offers restores the picture and stop the error pattern. You can readjust it back to 4K or 1080p later via the device settings gear icon. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.